You always have a chance, especially in Onpassive. You can do anything you wish to do, have anything you wish to have, and be anything you wish to be. You don't know what you really do until you try. All you have to do is act on your dreams. You have the power within you to do things you never dreamed of possible. You would amaze yourself if you did all the things you're capable of doing. This power becomes available to you as soon as you change some of your beliefs. Use your imagination and look at things as they can be. You know what you are today, but not what you may be tomorrow. Your success begins in your mind. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leader, Robert Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you and have a blessed day.